Welcome to Burton Yoga Studio, Yoga with Tia, for the pose of the week. We'll start with some breathing, in through the nose and out through the nose. Soften your gaze if you like, set an intention for your pose if you like. Then we like to rotate our heads, because you want to bring your body to a sense of peace if possible, while preparing your body for whatever pose you're going to do. Inhale as your head go up, exhale as your head come down. Breathing. And then in the opposite direction. And then rotate your shoulders. Inhale as your shoulders go up. Exhale as your shoulders come down. Gently breathe. And then in the opposite direction. And breathe. And then we're going to come into a flat position on our mat, and our pose of the week is the leg lift. So you're going to come down on your mat. You can lay your head on a pillow or block or flat if you like. I'm going to do the blocks today. You come down on your mat, breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. And then you're going to lift your legs. Gently take in a breath, inhale and lift. Pull your sits portion out and lift. You can also use a belt to lift. Okay, and once you get the belt around, you can give yourself a deeper stretch while holding your legs up a bit higher. Breathing and remembering not to lock your knees. Inhale and exhale. And stay in this pose as long as you can. And then gently release your belt. And bring your legs down slowly. And come back to a seated position on your mat. And breathe. And that is our pose of the week. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you soon. Bye.